Hi, Jim Pritchard from Testo. I'd like to show you some of our more popular and newer products that Testo is coming out with. First of all, I'd like to do the 565i vacuum pump. It comes in two flavors, 7 CFM and 10 CFM. This is a fully automatic piece of equipment. When you purchase the 552i micron sensor and the pump, you can go into the Testo Smart app. You tell it to, let's say, pull down to 500 microns. You say go to it. The sensor measures microns. This does the pumping. It pulls down to 500 microns, and when it gets to 500 microns, it stops. It immediately goes into a decay test, and if it doesn't pass the decay test, it starts pumping again. After 10 times, you're probably looking for a leak in the system, so you have to fix that. But if it passes the decay test, you're ready to go. And the idea is you can be doing other things while this is automatically doing the job for you.